relied on each other for other.
Wait. Almost done. Sounds.
Okay. Just as individuals and community relied on each other for goods and services, colonists relied upon neighboring colonies as well. The New England, Middle, and Southern colonies grew different crops and created different products. They also relied on trade with European countries for products not available in America. In this lesson, we will explore the ways colonists were able to obtain goods